Hi friends, Sumit Bhanot here. Now friends, today's video is really important for all of us. As you have seen from the thumbnail that just one setting and you can protect your phone from the virus. Now what is it? Now guys, since our smartphones nowadays are always connected to internet, so there is always a threat of viruses, malware and some kind of cyber attacks on our smartphones. Now today what I am going to tell you is that you have to do just one setting in your smartphone and that would completely change your life. You would remain tension free of any virus coming into your phone. Your smartphone will work perfectly, and the good thing is guys that you don't have to install any third party app. Whatever setting I am going to tell you is, please see this carefully because this is the only setting in your phone which can protect your phone from the attack of any kind of virus or malware. So guys, please see the video till the end completely and let's try to learn the process. So without wasting any time, let's learn the process guys. Let's get started. So friends, let's start the process and I would request you that please learn it very carefully. Now first what you have to do is that you have to go to the settings of your smartphone. Guys, this process is applicable only for Android phones and not for iOS or iPhones. So please keep this in mind. Now again I repeat, you have to go into your settings of your Android smartphone. When you are in the settings page, find Google settings. Right here I am having Google settings. Click on it. When you click on Google settings, a page like this will open. Here you have to find security tab. Now guys, right below the search and above the setup nearby device, there is a security tab. Click on it. Here you will find two options, find my device and security status, under which you are having Google Play Protect. Now this is the setting guys which we have to look into and which we have to work with. Now click on Google Play Protect. Here you will see that it is saying Google Play Protect regularly checks your apps and device for harmful behavior. You will be notified of any security risks found. So guys, this is the setting which you have to apply. Now listen carefully, what we have to do here is, now you see that it is telling me that full scanning is turned off, only Play Store apps will be checked. It means that it would only check the apps of Play Store, and in case you have installed any third party app or an app from any other website, that particular app would not be scanned by this. So this we have to enable. That is, I want that all the apps which are present in my phone, they should be scanned by Google Play Protect. Guys, this is very important. So you have to enable it. For this, what you have to do is that you have to enable the first tab, which is scan device for security threats. Now see, right above here you have looks fine tab and it says no harmful apps found. Now I would tell you that what happens when I start the scanning process. Now guys, what actually is happening is that Google Play Protect is automatically scanning all the apps which are present in your phone. It would scan each and every app present into your phone for any kind of virus, malware or any kind of threat to your data which could be there in the phone. So till the time it is scanning, let's see what happens. Now when it would finish scanning, it would list the name of the apps it has scanned and all these apps will come in front of you guys. So yeah, now you see it says recently scanned apps. It has scanned this YouTube Studio, Paytm app and even 99 more apps which are present in the phone. It has scanned all of them. Now this is one setting. Now what is the second setting? Second setting is right below it. Improve harmful app detection. You have also to enable this. I repeat, you have also to enable improve harmful app detection. That is, on this page you have to enable both these settings. Scan device for security threats, that should be enabled. Improve harmful app detection, it should also be enabled. Now what it does is that it sends unknown apps to Google for even improved detection. Now if there are some kind of harmful apps in your phone, then it would immediately report that data to Google servers and Google Play Protect would tell you by some kind of notification on your phone, which actually pop-ups on the home screen that this app is harmful and you have to remove this app. So guys, I once again repeat that you have to enable these two settings. Please make sure that under Google Play Protect both these settings are enabled. When these settings are enabled, you can be rest assured that your phone will always remain free of any kind of virus, any kind of threat, any kind of malware. So guys, this was the process which I wanted to tell with you, which I wanted to share with you. I hope that you would right now enable both these settings under Google Play Protect and would make your smartphone protected against any kind of viruses. So guys, I hope that you would like this video. If you have liked it, kindly give it a good thumbs up, and if you have any comments, please share with them with me in the comments box. Thanks for watching guys. Have a wonderful day.
Yeah, bring you up. Yeah, come on.